Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to view your referral code in GCash in 2025. So if you have been inviting friends to join GCash, you can earn rewards using your referral link or the code. So let's just quickly go through how you can find it inside the latest GCash application interface. So first of all, you need to launch your GCash application on your phone. Then you need to log in into it with the help of your mobile number and MPIN. So this is going to be your main dashboard. You will see all of the quick access icons here, like we have cash in, send money, paying the bills, etc. So here, simply click on the option of profile that you see here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now this is going to open the next page in front of you. Over here, among the given options, you just have to scroll down and try to find the option of refer friends. When you are able to find this option, simply click on it. Then in the refer friends, you are going to see the total money that you have earned over here and the total number of referrals that you have made. So here on the top, as you can see, we have the option of messenger, SMS, share QR code, and more options. So with the help of these given options, basically you can just get your referral link and you can invite your friends. So for example, let's say you clicked on the option of SMS, so it will come here something like this. It will open your messenger or your message application just like so. Then it will automatically just create this type of message. This is the link that you are going to basically send, and this is the code that you need. So the code will be after backslash and in the end. So this is the code. If you want to get the Gcash code, this is the code. So click on the option of send over here, and this way you will be able to find your referral code in Gcash. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.